everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to write April in calligraphy style. So don't skip any step. Now grab your tools and let's get started. First at all, subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for daily updates. These are the tools I'll be using. First one is scale, second one is permanent marker, third one is black pointer, fourth one is simple eraser, fifth one is HB pencil, and sixth one is marker colors. These are the watercolor pens I have used. You can use any type of marker colors you have. Step 1. First at all, I am using HB pencil or scale and draw a horizontal line. Now write words of April lightly.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
First step is done. Moving on second step. In this step, I am using black pointer and outline the complete words. Second step is done. Moving on third step. In this step, I am using black permanent marker and color the words completely.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me why it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are?
Third step is done. Moving on fourth step. In this step, I am using eraser and erase all pencil lines. Fourth step is done. Moving on fifth step. In this step, I am using these marker colors. Now I have grabbed these 4 colors and create some creative things.
You gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Now using black pointer,
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me.
now create border around the paper using paper cutter. Now using black permanent marker and color the border. Finally it's done. Hope you all enjoy my video tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, try this one and tag me on Instagram for featured. The Instagram link is given in description. Share your feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Check my previous video, subscribe my channel, like my page on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.